So Simran, I would like to ask about the journey. Obviously, you have spoken that in the very beginning you were very shy sort of girl, shy natured girl, but slowly, as well as the time passed, you came to know how to do, what to do. You learned so many things, and you came in the very beginning with your cousin brother when you were very small. Rest of all the students
Yes,
will
sir.
keep their Aditi. Do your mic off by the time when it will be the time to speak. Then only they will speak. Yeah. So Simran, when you were coming here, I still remember that small girl. But right now, Simran is going to marry also in the coming future also, right? And I wish that you should tell the name of some cousin brothers, sisters, बुआ का बेटा, बुआ की बेटी, फूफा का बेटा, फूफा की बेटी, sister का बेटा, बेटी. As many as the students have joined from your family, we are happy to, we will be happy to know that. हम
Yes,
उनको मतलब विल बी हैप्पी टू नो देम. उनके बारे में एक बार हम डिस्कस करना चाहेंगे कि कौन कौन से स्टूडेंट ज्वाइन किया. प्लीज अनम्यूट देन स्पीक.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Actually, after me, like I have joined after my cousin brother, then my brother Shubham Sharma, then my niece Jaswinder Kaur, then Jatin, Jatin is my also nephew, Jatin Sharma, Nitin Sharma, another Nitin Sharma,
हाँ.
and also just my elder sister as well, Sprinkle Sharma as well, and also 7 to 8 people came after me to Lakshman Patak and Education Point, and they all got very good study
No,
and
no,
very
no.
good
I
experience
think
from
not only
those.
7 to 8, many came. Whereas I think so.
Oh,
I
yeah, it
think
might be up to
Shivya
10 to
also.
12.
Shivya
Shivya
also joined
Sharma,
us.
yes.
Shivya is also connected with us. I think.
Shivank, yeah,
हाँ,
Shivank as well.
Shivyank also came. Shivam also came. Jaswinder Kaur also came.
And 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 nowadays my nephew Shivank Sharma, another
Yes.
Shivank Sharma, second Shivank Sharma, and Sutakshi Sharma has also joined,
Yes,
and
yes. Sakshi Sharma
one
also.
girl from my one girl from my near my house. She's living. Her name is Payal. Payal also joined after me there.
Yes.
There are so many students, not only relatives as well as known as well. Not only relatives joined after me there.
Yes. So I think overall contribution from your side of view, maybe if may take over there half a century you have made, approximately 50 students we may consider from your side.
Sure,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. And even this is the only witness that right now I can see Shubham is also there. Shubham is your real brother and has been our one of the sincere most student. So Shubham, welcome to you.